Looky here what I have. That's right. It's my Macy's beauty box for September. It came. It actually came in the mail yesterday, which would have been Saturday. I'm filming this on Sunday. I'm not real sure when this will come out. Could come out today, but we'll see. But anyways, the Macy's beauty box is full of Macy department store brand, like Clinique, Clarion's, Elemis, just all kinds of brands. Max, whatever they sell at Macy's, you get some beauty samples from Macy's, and they're usually deluxe samples, and you get a bonus gift, all for $15. And it comes once a month. And the box is supposed to just break apart. Pop goes the weasel, and then it folds undone like that. And on the inside, we have our little pink package, and as you can see, if you wanted to, you could fold this out completely and fold it up and repurpose this box. I mean, you can put it in the trash like this, or you can repurpose it and ship out again. It's a folded box, so that's kind of cool how that they do that. And on the inside, I did get my little coupon this month and my QR code, your summer skin reset. And that's what we have in here, I think. So we're going to find out, and I got a $10 off coupon this month. Sometimes that'll vary. It might be $5. Sometimes it's $10. And I'm going to get my camera out here, and we're going to get over to Macy's on my phone. Hopefully we won't have any trouble. It'll tell us about next month. And you do and can sign up for the next month. So the box I'm going to show you today, oh my goodness, you would have to order it today or tomorrow by the 15th in order to get the September box. So next month, it's going to be called Prepped and Prime. And that's going to be the fall beauty box to prep and prime your skin. And in that box, it looks like it's going to have a variety of some of our favorites for fall. That'll give you just like a little sneaky peeky of the fall. I don't know if we'll get a MAC lipstick or not, but that's kind of what it's showing there, isn't it? Maybe we'll get a little sample. Looks like some Bobbi Brown, some Bumble and Bumble, Lancome, and Smashbox. So maybe not. I seen that MAC lipstick and thought, ooh, there we go. Now this month, that's a sneaky peek of what we're having in this box. So let's open this up and see if we can't see what's in here. This will be the September box, and it looks like we are going to get an Elemis in this. And if you bought a full size, it's $72. Well, let's open this up. Let's find out our little goodies in here. You always get a bonus too. Now here's the Elemis. And it is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm, Hydrating Cleansing Balm. And you can get this regularly, like I said, for $72. It's a 3.5 ounce. Our little sample here is tiny, tiny. And I don't know if it'll tell us what size it is. It's a 10 gram, so I guess 0.03 ounce. So not too bad. And I do like the collagen. I have one. So I'm probably not going to open that up. Let me see if it's sealed. It's not sealed, and it smells good. I do like their cleansers. This would be perfect for carrying for travel. So that's my first item that I'm seeing here. And let's go on to the next. It looks like the next item I'm seeing is a First Aide Beauty, and a 6 ounce jar of this would be $38, and we have a sample here. It's a small size, but it's actually a pretty good size, and it's Ultra Repair Cream Intense Collidol Oatmeal. So this is for sensitive skin, and I have used this. I have one opened. I'm not going to break the seal because I do have one open. If you have any sensitive areas like I do, I have the psoriasis, and so it really feels good on there. Any of the First Aide Beauty products feels great on any kind of sensitive skin. And they even have like hyaluronic acid and things like that for your face. Now the next thing I'm seeing here is a Clarion, and that's here in this box. It's a total eye lift, and it's lift replenish eye concentrate. This is a 3 ml and a full size. Well, it's not telling me how much a full size is. You can get a 0.05, but it doesn't give me full details. But I'm going to tell you, Clarion's is pretty expensive. So a full size of this is probably going to be around $70, if not more. Could be less. But that's what it looks like. You got Total Eye Lift Concentrate. Let's see. It's giving us the ingredients. But it's an eye lift. I wonder if it's like City Beauty, where it lifts the eyes. Sometimes I'll put that on my eyes ahead of my makeup. This concentrate is designed to visibly lift and smooth wrinkles, replenish eye contour areas. So yeah, I think this is going to be like the City Beauty lifting power, so to speak. Let's see what it looks like. I'm just going to put a little bitty bit on, and I'll probably use this. I'm going to put some up here. Now I know I have eyeshadow on, but hopefully it won't mess it up, and I might get a little bit of a lift out of this, because that's where I put it. I put a lift around my hooded eye areas to try to pull it up. Now I can feel the coolness of it, but it doesn't sting or burn or anything, so it feels really nice. The next item I'm seeing is a Peter Thomas Roth. This is a water drench hyaluronic cream hydro moisturizer. So it's got it all in one, and I'm going to use this. Guys, I used that primer that I got last month. It was excellent. And so I would highly recommend it. I know people have been telling me his products are really good. Well, they really are. So I'm going to give this a try. It has a seal on it, but I want to see what the consistency is. So let's take a look. It looks just like that. So it's it's creamy, yet it's not like a regular moisturizer. And you can put hyaluronic on your face even after you have makeup on. So to help pull in more moisture, so I'm just going to tap that on top of my makeup here. And we'll see if it does anything for me, but that feels good. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good. And then our next item is a YLS Yves Saint Laurent. Not sure exactly how you say it, but it is a very little bitty sample. And if you were to buy the full size of this, it'd be $40. Let me see if it said what the Peter Roth would be. $54 for the Peter Roth. And we couldn't get a price on the Clarion, so I don't really know. Oh, $95. Woo! I was off by about 20 bucks. I think I said 70. I was off by almost 25 bucks. Wow. So yeah, Clarion's is expensive. They use a lot of natural things though in their ingredients. And this is the color Thunder Stealer, and it is a gloss, I'm pretty sure. It says it's a Love Shine plumping oil. Ooh. Now I've got a plumping oil and I've been really liking it. So let's see how this plumping oil works. Smells good. I like the color. It smells really good. It reminds me of a berry. I can kind of taste it. I want to say apricot-y like. Let's see if it tells us. it's gonna be too shiny to read. Story of my life. It is a lip gloss, and it's an oil, but I can't read the ingredients. It's too small, but it works good. I can feel it, and I'll like it. I'll definitely be using that. I've never used one of her plumpers. I like the color. Now my last item is the bonus item, and this here's in this little bitty pack, and I think it's a little, well, it's a little comb. Let's see if we can get to the little comb. This will be a good size to put in your purse. And you know, you can put these kind in your shower too, to get run the cream rinse through it. But yeah, this just is big and just goes right through my hair. Very nice. Oh yeah, I like that. Look how nice that combs through. Very, very nice. If you're wondering what I've been using on my hair lately, it's C-H-I, Chi Infrared Shampoo and Conditioner. And guys, I got away from that a few years ago, and I had a package in there for months. Been using some other, but this has definitely reminded me why I bought it in the first place. She has some good products for your hair. So, and I also use the infrared oil on there. I did use some Olaplex like conditioner on my hair before I blow dried it, and then the infrared oil from Chi. So anyway, that's what I've been using on my hair, and I just love it. And it's brought it back to not being weighted down, which I like. I found out argan oil on your hair really weighs it down. So anyways, guys, that's my Macys. Let me know what you think. Do you have a favorite? Well, I like this. I like this. I'm going to like my lift. I'm going to love my sensitive cream, and I'm going to love my Elemis cleanser. So yeah, this was a win. I liked everything. And my absolute favorite, probably going to be this, because I know I'll like this. It is very good for my skin. I'm going to like it all. So, but you know, if I had to pull out one, I'm going to say that. And then I love plumpers, so I have to say that one for my second one. But anyways, guys, that's it. Don't forget my little comb in the tiger colors, which I like too, or the leopard print, however you want to say it. This is nice. I may put it in my purse. It's nice and slim, and it'll just drop right down in there. That's my box. Let me know. Don't forget to use a blue heart emoji or a rose if you're participating in the Jubilee for this month of September. And don't forget too, if you haven't already, check out the I Won So Can You with T if it's still open. It closes, and the winner will be announced on Mouse Monday, which is the 15th of September. So depending, this may come out today, it may be too late. But if you might have a chance, depending what time this comes out and when you get a chance to see it. But as for today, in my Macys beauty box, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.